Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the video of hotel. In this video we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen hotel location is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lot of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.0, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room rate, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is fine and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Three categories of rooms If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel,